Hi, I'm Wade with Jimmy Brand's Homestead, and I'd like to talk to you about something that's kind of off the subject, but still about homesteaders. Is what it is. This is getting to be springtime down here in the Ozarks, and when that comes around, so do the ticks, the chiggers, mosquitoes, gnats, and all those kind of critters. Well, it's an important subject because nowadays with all these diseases that we have out there, with Lyme disease, Rocky Mountain fever, and a few others, we need to take precautions. And the reason I'm kind of doing this video is because about 5 years ago, I ended up getting Rocky Mountain Lyme disease by a tick. And let me tell you, it was no fun. I couldn't do anything. I ended up staying probably 3-4 days in the hospital over it. So now I take precautions for it. And is what we're going to talk about is this stuff right here. It is called Permethrin. This is Martin's Permethrin. You can buy different brands that come out with it. But this is Martin's, and it is 13% Permethrin. And I want a 0.5% solution is what I'd like. So what I'm going to do is take and mix it with water. And I'm going to use 3 gallons of water to 5 ounces of Permethrin. Okay, and as you can see right here, I've already got it mixed in here. Right here, this is Permethrin with 3 gallons of water. And as what we're going to do, we're going to take my clothes and soak them in it and wash them in it. Basically, they've been washed. Now they get the treatment for them. And this treatment that I do will last all summer long. No matter how many washes I do, well, unless it's an ungodly amount, but it'll last probably about 30-40 washes. So what I do is take my clothes and just put them in here. Everything gets in that I'm going to wear this year. So all my shirts, my socks, my pants, all that. And I have a stick here to take and soak it in there. And the reason I'm wearing gloves is because you're not supposed to get this stuff on you. It is not a good idea, they say. And the reason I do this instead of spraying, because this gets down in every nick, crook, and cranny of your clothes. I will show you in a minute. I'll take and soak them real good till they get stuff on them. And then I'll take, we'll start with a pair of pants. See, they're saturated completely with this stuff. Then I just take and wring them out. I mean, I don't want to get them completely wrung out because I want them to dry naturally. What's going to happen, I'm going to hang them up on a clothesline we got here, is that the Permethrin will stay on the clothes while the water evaporates. So what I'm doing, like these, I'm taking, wringing them out. Not completely, just enough to get the majority of it out. And I will do this for everything that I have. I have my socks in there, I have t-shirts in there, I have everything that I'm going to wear when I go out, like in our woods here, or just even in the yard, we get them. And everything is just going to be hung up. Just like that. And is what this stuff will do, when a tick gets on it, they die within about 60 seconds. I have tried it, I have watched them, and they do their best to get away from it, but it's too late. Once they make contact with it, it affects their nervous system, and it literally kills them. I make up a solution that is 0.05 in a spray bottle, and that's what I'm going to use to do my dog. I'll spray it on him, soak it in real good, instead of buying this stuff that you buy at the store, paying $60-$70 for these things. And this will last 6 weeks on my dog to keep them off him too. Because dogs, believe it or not, can get the same thing that we get. Their just immune system's a little better than ours, so it does help. Hi. As you can see now, I've got all my laundry hung up. And I'll let it dry for excuse me, for about 24 hours till it's nice and dry, because this stuff is bad if it's on your skin. That's why I was wearing the gloves for, if I didn't say that before. I just happened to think about it. So it will work. And I forget sometimes when I go out into the woods, like here I'm working, if I need to go down there and get something, I'll just take off down there, and next thing I know, I've got ticks all over me. So it's springtime, time to prepare. I'll have this stuff on, so when I go down there, it won't make a difference. So again, thank you. If you like this content, just let me know, and if you got any questions, leave it in the comments and I'll get back to you as quick as I can. I mix up the solution, and if I didn't tell you, this is 13.5%, so I mix it at 5 ounces for 3 gallons of water. I figure that's about 0.1%, which is close enough to do it good, and these will last all year. So thank you again. Welcome for visiting us at Jimmy Branch Homestead. Have a nice day.
So if you're enjoying this type of video, please like, subscribe, and share our videos. It's the best way that you can help us to grow our homestead. Thank you so much for watching Jimmy Branch Homestead, and God bless.